Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl LiaLeigh. Today starts a new series of videos that I'm going to be uploading to my channel. I have had many requests on filming content in my spa room, so here are the videos. This is me just preparing my client for the start of her facial. Without a doubt, we are going to have steam to help break down any oils, any buildup in the skin. Starting out with Dermalogica's Pre-Cleanse Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It's gentle on the skin, yet super effective to begin this process of this treatment. I typically pre-cleanse for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll clean it off with some 4x4s. My client was so adorable and sweet. Thank you so much, girl, for letting me treat your skin. I decided to go in with the Vital C products for my client's treatment today. As you can see, she has very clear skin already, so breakouts were definitely not an issue for her. So with this product line, it focuses on brightening the skin and hydrating the skin, and this cleanser is more so of a milky texture versus most cleansers, which kind of have a soapy to foamy texture. I enjoy incorporating warm towels into my treatments, so this is the way that I typically remove all of my cleansers. Now applying the Vital C Hydrating Enzyme. This is going to allow the skin to become softer and ready for extractions while hydrating. And enzymes, for anyone who is not aware of what these products do, this is going to simply think about it eating away at the top layer of dead skin on the face. Now applying the pre-extraction emulsion. The key ingredients in this is the willow herb extract, a rare alpine plant extract to help reduce surface sebum and the appearance of pores, as well as willow bark and tea tree oil, help to open pores for extractions and balance blemish-prone skin. Now for the fun part, and the reason why many people watch facial videos is for the extractions. As mentioned before, her skin is very clear. Even the size of the nose, where typically people have a lot of congestion or even sebaceous filaments, she didn't really have that. And she had expressed when she first came in that she's always had clear skin, and I was like, you go girl, whatever is working for you, continue to do it, and blessings to her. On average, extractions can take me from anywhere from 10 minutes up to the most and the max time of around 35 minutes, depending on the client's skin. Gently going around with some multi-active toner from Dermalogica Pro. This toner is thebomb.com. It's mask time, and I'm applying the Ormetic Balancing Gel Mask. This mask is really the best mask for any skin type, but definitely after extractions, this mask helps to instantly soothe, hydrate, and refresh my client's skin. It also has anti-inflammatory natural ingredients, and that helps to restore the integrity of the skin barrier, leaving my clients refreshed and renewed. After about 10 minutes is when I remove the mask. This Vital C Hydrating Facial Oil is to die for, literally. This facial oil, as you can see, is so light on the face. It's rich in argan, sea buckthorn, grapeseed oils to nourish and replenish dry skin. And now, as you can see, I'm applying the Illuminating Orange It's the Max Hydro Jelly Mask. These jelly masks are so popular right now. Every esthetician has these in her spa, and every client has got to leave out with some retail to go home and perform their own hydro jelly mask at home. These masks do have beneficial properties of their own as well. So to name a few, this is going to help to push all the great ingredients from the oil that I just applied into the skin deeper, as well as this illuminating orange mask is going to help brighten the skin as well as hydrate. The hydro jelly mask typically dries in about 15 to 20 minutes. This hyaluronic facial enhancer serum is super hydrating and instantly plumps the skin with just one application. I'm also going to apply that Vital C facial oil once again to add optimum hydration to her skin. Lastly, I am applying the Ormetic Lip Enhancement Complex. This lip serum and treatment is absolutely beautiful on the end results of the facial. My clients absolutely love it. They love the way their lips look so hydrated and actually are hydrated because this polypeptide formula improves the visual volume of the lips, and it instantly replenishes and hydrates the lips to look naturally full. So I hope you all enjoyed this facial. Let me know down in the comments what you think you would like to see next in my next video or in future videos. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.